Hello, this is a video about the free site generator I'm giving to you as a gift and how to use it. The first thing you want to do is read the instructions. That's all of this. And if you read that, it will tell you that you must install npm and Node.js. You can get both of that in one download here. It is also recommended that you get Visual Studio Code for syntax highlighting. I've already got both of those, so let's go ahead and download the file. You would do so by clicking here and downloading as a zip. I've already got it. It's right here. I'll go ahead and open it. And if you know about extracting zip files, you'll see the contents inside. And I'm just going to go ahead and drop that in this folder. It's part of my C drive. Once that's finished extracting, we can drop the entire file into Visual Studio Code, which I've got open here. And it's going to look like this. On the left, you'll see your files. The main one we're interested in is data.js. As specified here, it tells you to modify this file. And in here, you'll see a lot of different pieces of data. Let's go ahead and get this sized up. But the main thing we want to do is get a company name. Let's just let's say example details by me. And you'll go ahead and fill out all of these. I've tried to mark some of them that you must do with these brackets, but pretty much everything. And once you do that, we'll need to do one or two more things. The instructions tell you that you must run this. This will download some JavaScript libraries that the program needs to generate your website. So go ahead and click on View, go down to Terminal. And in Terminal, it'll automatically fill out to where we are, and you'll just type that command, npm install. You can even copy paste it. Now that's going to download a bunch of different files. Let's see if it goes a little faster than last time. When you're uploading this, you'll want to upload everything in this folder except for this. This folder is going to be pretty large, and you don't want to upload that online. It's going to take you a while. And that, coincidentally, is the folder that's being filled up with stuff right now. Now, once the site is ready, you can go in and update all these images to something more that you like better. You'll also want to add your logo. Here's the just sample logo I gave you. It looks like the files have finished downloading, and according to the instructions, after we've updated all the information in here, let me show you one other important one. Owner name. Let's put your name. All of them are important. Get all of this updated. The next thing you want to do is run node generator.js. I'll go ahead and copy that, and we're going to put it down here in this terminal area. And just like that, the site is generated. Let's go look at those files. Here's a bunch of files, and now when you want to upload this to the internet, you'll have to, have a web hosting company. The one that I recommend is right here. But you want to upload everything except for this. This folder is going to be quite large. So you would just go like that and drag and drop it into your website however you choose to do that. I often do it through FTP, but I don't know what's modern these days. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the site. Here's the website. This carousel images will work. I believe they use... Well, I'll check out on... Oh, here it is. It uses these images. It just doesn't work when you're viewing it on your desktop. But let's go through and see the site. We've got different service packages here. No. And you've got a lot of different placeholder images here. Let me show you one real quick area. The main reason I made this is because I knew I wanted to add a lot of different images to the gallery. So you've got a gallery here, and you would just put your before and after pictures or just a huge compilation of images. You'd run that and you would get more. So as an example, let's just duplicate this. And let's go to the gallery. Gallery looks like this. And now you see a 4x4 here. If we run that thing again, we just about doubled the amount of images. Now you'll see there's a lot more. Now the other cool place, the other very important thing I added about this is there's also a folder called projects. And each project folder, that's like you just drop all your images in there at the end of the day. And some of these are thumbnails, but basically all this text is generated out of the data in here. Now you'll have to kind of teach yourself that or how to fill that in, but it's pretty easy. You just have a service, an author, and a text. Now this is actually HTML, as you might notice, but you could just put plain text in there as well. There's some other options that are specified in this area, and you can read more about that. I think that's pretty much all we have time for. So basically, you need to download those outside libraries and then modify your data to be whatever you want. So let's say your thing is contact@yourcoolsite.com, and you'll just go down this entire list filling out everything you possibly can. And when you're done, you save it. I did a Control S there. And you'll run that node generator.js. It'll automatically write over all of these. These will be replaced. And all of these get uploaded online. Now, unless you're changing your images constantly, you only really need to upload these. But since we're uploading for the first time, well, we don't need those exactly. We need pretty much all of these. All of these go online. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy this gift. Please let me know what you think. If you have any trouble, let me know as well. Good luck.